Hello, my English learners. I hope all of you are doing well, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel, Learn English with Shaon. Whether you are tuning in for the first time or you are a returning subscriber to my channel, or you are already a subscriber in this channel. Well, I am thrilled to have you guys here on this exciting journey of language learning. Before starting today's lesson, I would like to tell you what else you are going to learn in this channel apart from advanced grammar. But before that, I want to make one thing very clear to you, to all of you. Learning English or any language is not just about memorizing grammar rules or accumulating a massive vocabulary. It's about connecting with people across different cultures. Here, in my channel, Learn English with Shaon, we will not just learn to pass the tests. We will learn to communicate, to articulate our thoughts, and to understand others. Here, each lesson will be a step closer to fluency, and each mistake made here is a step closer to perfection. I'm here to make learning engaging and effective with tips, tricks, and real world applications for all of you. Now, some of you might be thinking what I meant by telling you the real world applications. Well, let me make it easy for you. Real world application is this when you can relate what you learn to what you live. The language becomes a part of you. Just imagine ordering your favorite food in English, discussing your favorite books to someone, or simply telling a story or sharing a story with your friends. So that's my goal, to make English as your second language in practice, not just in theory. And remember, I am here to guide you, to support you. Together, we will learn and we will speak English like it's our heart's language. So, in today's lesson, I will introduce you all to parts of speech and its classification along with examples and morphology. So, let's dive into our first lesson. As you can see on my laptop screen, I have written the definition of parts of speech. Every language is structured by its own basic elements. We call it words. For example, if we want to build a building, for that we require bricks, right? Similarly, if we want to make a sentence, we will be in need of language. A parts of speech, also called a word class, is a category that describes the role a word plays in a sentence. So, in English language, we can define parts of speech like this. The word is composed by an individual letter. Let me remind you one thing. For making any sentence or a sentence, speech or thoughts, it is obligatory or mandatory to use meaningful words. I hope all of you understand. Now we will learn some examples of word by a single word or by a combination of letter as I have written in below. So the first example is given here by a single word. I am a boy. The second one is hooray, Wuhan got the first prize and he showed it to his father instantly. And the last example is by using a name of a person, Smith. Smith is a boy. I hope now you learn the examples of word by a single word, by both a single word or by combination of letter. Now we will discuss about the morphology, how it works and what really it is. So morphology is a part of language science where it works with word structure, It helps us know which rules we need to follow to create new words. It also encourages us to know how we can make words by using right functions and structure for proper words. Now, let's teach you some different examples. Boy, kite, fox, mobile phone, nature, etc. are different examples. By using these different examples, we can make a new word by using right functions and structure to create a proper new word. Okay? Now we will try to know or try to learn the classification of parts of speech. I know you guys already know that in advanced English grammar, parts of speech are classified into 9 parts. Those are given below: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and lastly, determiners. Let me remind you, in advanced studies, determiners are cherished separately. So, these 9 parts of speech indicates us how words function within sentences and when multiple parts of speech are used in different sentences to make a new word or any new word. So, that's it for today's lesson. I want to thank all of you for watching and learning with me, as well as keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our adventures in English. And please don't forget to share this channel with friends and family who are on this journey with you. Until next time, take care and speak great English with your friends and with your family. Bye bye.